Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily change the Pro Mode settings on your MSI G242L gaming monitor. So first, what you guys want to do is, as you guys can see my hand on the right side of the screen, here is the red button that you need to click. Now let's go over to professional settings, and here we will have the Pro Mode. Now we can change it to Eco, User, Anti-Blue, Movie, Office, or sRGB. It all depends on our preference. I always run either Eco or User. This is my personal monitor too, so I always use either Eco or User. And I think the User one is the best. I think the colors are just so good at this mode. And that's basically how you guys can change it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.